So what's up everyone? Just a quick video because I want to be posting to this channel every Friday moving forward. I was just kind of posting haphazardly before, but I think I want to do consistently like the same day every week so you can know when to expect videos from me. There's going to be more of, you know, recipes and saving money on food kinds of videos, but for this week, because I didn't have time to pull anything else together and because I've been meaning to try durian ever since I've seen it available at my local Korean grocery store, I decided I would finally try durian, and I wrote my husband into it with me. So let's go cut it open. So this is the little baby. It hurts. That's probably why it's in this mesh bag. It was puncturing a lot of holes in the plastic bag when I bought it. Anyway, this is like the smallest durian I could get, and it cost just over $12. I wasn't about to waste a bunch of money on something that I'm probably not going to like. So spiny. Ow. Yeah, it has a weird, like, sort of smell to it, but I don't find it, like, very strong. Again, it could be because it was previously frozen. Oh, the fruit feels kind of squishy. It's sort of, whoa. Okay, so I hear this is the king of the fruits because it has, like, a lot of nutrients, including fat in it. All right, so I'm just gonna dish us up a little durian. It's all like squish. It's kind of like custard with fiber in it. It's really hard to get just like a little piece to try. It tastes like oniony. Oh, now there's a fruit taste.
Yeah, it's not great.
No, but it's not like horribly terrible. Like I don't want to eat any more of it, but yeah, it tastes sort of like a combination of like onion and like at the very end there's like a hint of like banana or mango.
It's definitely a custardy texture.
Yeah, and it's custardy with like fibrous bits in it. You know, the more I eat of it, like the less objectionable it is. I'm kind of interested now in trying it like fresh. Yeah, this is not bad.
It's not good either.
Yeah, like I don't like it, and yet I can't stop eating it.
You have as much as you want.
I did pay $12 for it. Okay, you're free to go. Thank you for being a good sport.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, everybody loves Miney. We gotta have her in. Hey, Miney. Everybody say hi to Hermione. Hey, love.
But she might want to smell it.
Oh yeah, Miney, you want to smell the durian? You want to smell it? Oh, I tried to get a little piece for you to smell. Here, want you smell? Oop, I dropped some. What do you think?
$12 cat food.
I guess it's like how cats like pumpkin and melons. She likes durian.
Okay, here you go. Oh, no.
Would you like some more? Miney. She's right over here.
I know.
Miney. Come here.
No pins barging in.
Would you like some more? Anyway, I'll be back with more regular videos. If you haven't already liked Sarah K Loves Food on Facebook, like that page because I post pictures and stuff of food porn and stuff of food. And I am going to be starting a food blog soon that is coming because my recipes don't all fit in the video description boxes. And now Hermione's gone to the durian plate. Would you like some durian, Laya? Would you like some?